Hey guys, check out this quick and easy recipe for my smothered cabbage with smoked beef sausage. Now I add a bunch of goodies, so let's get right to it. So you want to get a pan and you want to add a little olive oil to your pan. I had some smoked beef sausage and I added some onions and peppers, and I'm just going to stir those around frequently, and we want to keep them going because we want the onions to get nice and translucent, and we want to start to develop a little color. Now, no seasonings yet, but that's coming. Now, you want to get them till they look a little bit like this. Yes, you see they're starting to get little caramelized pieces, and this is about as far as I want to take it, so I'm going to put these in a bowl and set them aside, and I'm going to get my cabbage ready. Now, I use 2 heads of cabbage for this particular amount of sausage, but you use as much as you like. So let's get some seasoning. I'm adding a little lemon pepper, some no salt seasoning, that's some salt-free vegetable seasoning, and then I'm going to grab some onion powder. You already know what the onion powder do for me now. That's some all-purpose Greek seasoning. Looks like nothing's coming out, but it is. Now to taste, you want to add a little salt and black pepper. All right, so we want to add some minced garlic or crushed garlic, whatever you want to add. I'm adding some ginger paste, but you can also use crushed ginger as well. And just add like a couple of tablespoons to that. Now this is better than bouillon. This is actually the sauteed onion. So this is so good, especially when you're cooking vegetables. So just give that a good stir and add the rest of your cabbage. Like I said, I had 2 heads of cabbage here, so just have to wait till it cooks down. You know that cabbage makes a lot of water. Sometimes they do and sometimes they don't. So I'm adding about a half of a carton of chicken stock. And I have some potatoes that I parboiled. They're not quite done, but almost. So if they look a little dark, I added some of that sauteed onion, better than bouillon, to the water. And I'm just adding those to the top. Now that they've cooked down a little more, I'm just going to fold gently. Fold gently. Just fold them over. And because I don't want to break up my potatoes. That's one of the best parts I love about this dish is those potatoes in there. So now one thing I have to say, I love when my cabbage has the dark green. So I was kind of disappointed that my cabbage came in and did not have any of the dark greens. I mean, that's what kind of makes it, and it gives a little pop of color. So anyway, I'm over it. So guys, I added a little pepper flakes just to give a little spice. And now I'm going to add my sausages and onions and peppers back in. So good. And guess what, guys? If you don't feel like cutting up cabbage, use the ready-made coleslaw mix in the bag. Yes, it's a great substitution. Look at this. You know what's next. Let's get to tasting. Listen, I gotta blow it off with these big old coffee coolers I got. Girl, she ain't got no shame. This is good. Try it out. Tell your family, your friends, your aunties, your uncle and them, and tell them what I'm doing in this kitchen, y'all, and what Adrianne thinks. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, guys. Smothered cabbage with sausage out.